Look closely at this tiny machine. This is the brand new 2026 Honda Navi, and it is currently causing an absolute frenzy on urban city streets across the globe. Some people call it a miniature motorcycle, others call it a heavily disguised scooter, but almost everyone is completely missing the point of why Honda secretly updated this platform. If you think this is just a slow, cheap toy meant for children, you are about to be proven completely wrong. This micro machine has a hidden design feature that changes urban commuting forever, and we are exposing the truth right now. Let us break down the mechanical simplicity that makes this machine so incredibly dangerous to traditional scooters. Hidden underneath the aggressive, Sportbike-style body panel sits a 109 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, fan-cooled 4-stroke engine. It is not built for high-speed racing, pumping out just 7.8 horsepower and 6.6 pound-feet of torque. But here is the trick. It uses Honda's iconic V-matic automatic transmission. That means there is absolutely no manual clutch lever and no foot shifter. You simply twist the throttle and go. It weighs a featherlight 123 pounds, making it so agile you can literally cut through dense gridlock traffic like a sharp knife. But the real genius of the 2026 model is where the engine actually sits. Unlike a regular motorcycle where the power plant is mounted inside the main frame, Honda bolted this engine directly to the rear swing arm, just like a scooter. This engineering choice opened up a massive empty space right in the middle of the frame. Honda utilized this space to install a fully integrated, lockable, and completely waterproof storage pod. You can throw your laptop, groceries, or riding gear inside, lock it up, and walk away with total peace of mind. Combine that utility with an unbelievable fuel economy rating of 110 miles per gallon from the 0.9-gallon fuel tank, and you have a machine that costs literally pennies to operate. So, what is the dark catch that the big motorcycle dealerships do not want you to know? The top speed peaks out at exactly 55 miles per hour, meaning it is completely barred from entering major high-speed highways. But with a mind-blowing base price starting right around $1,807, it is completely destroying the market for traditional public transit and expensive electric bicycles. Honda has officially built the ultimate, indestructible urban survival tool for 2026. The only question left is, are you bold enough to ride the smallest giant on the street, or will you keep wasting your hard-earned cash at the gas pump?